this is warm up, final twist. Keep the legs apart. Later you can go back to your place. Now just keep the legs are apart like this, at the edge of the mat. Then the right hand, when we build spinal twist, you will twist to the right side. Right hand goes to the left side of the mat. Right hand goes to the left side of the mat. Then the left hand goes to the right side of the mat. Okay, Pusha, you look a bit right side, turn to the right side. And then we come back. Now we're going to turn to the left side. Left hand is going to go to the right side of the mat. And right hand is going to go to the left side of the mat. Asana is after you go, and then without moving the leg anywhere else, turn, good twist, and then according to capacity, hip to the forehead to the mat, or the mat to the forehead. Yeah, wonderful stretch to the back and beautiful work on the spine. The entire spine gets a good twist. Because by turning the neck, you are engaging the entire spine. And come up.